Okay, let's go and see a recap for May 22nd, 2020. And also on a daily chart, can we see what's gonna be next week? We got today green bar, but it's a lower than this red one. Hold is right there. Catch up with the price. Everything is under above, upper yellow band, which we are here staying for a while. So caution is advised, just like here, and this green bar, it's lower than red one. They didn't touch hold today even, so possible Monday. We'll see where they're gonna open on Sunday and what's gonna be, but this is caution over here because I don't see anywhere else. There's a green bar but higher than this red one. Okay, there's a big one here going. The hold was far away, now the hold is here, it's a different story. So, caution. We are not far away from highs, all-time highs. What's it? 94.21, and then highs were somewhere 97.44. So that's a 300 some points. $320 points or so. So it's not much, but perfect area to turn around. This will be about 95% of this move here. So we'll see what they're gonna do. Okay, before we continue, please read the risk disclosure disclaimer. It's very dangerous to trade any financial markets. You may lose some or any of your money. Of all. In all fairness, you can sometimes make some. I'm not financial advisor. I don't have a license for that. I'm not financial. This is not financial institution. I'm not educational company. This is just my opinion. Anything I said over here is just my opinion, my game. You guys create your own. Just the way I see it. So please stop, pause the video, read that risk disclosure disclaimer so we can continue. Alright, now that also there's under the video. Now that you did it, let's go and see what they did today during the day. I already checked on 2 minutes, 5 minutes, there was nothing. So let's see, on 15 minutes there was early in the morning at 7 o'clock. There was a candy store signal. Bottom blue line was about white, but very close to 8. Didn't touch it. Even here didn't touch it. And there was a pullback, and here was at 9 o'clock. Candy store signal, and then bottom blue line went above white direction line, and 8. Perfect, and there was a nice pullback. So on the closer bar, and then to bottom of this bar, this is about 50, a little bit less, just say 50. That was about 45 points or so. Nice pullback, and they just continued. So again, a candle store signal with in this case both blue lines, bands are above directional line and 8, and there was a nice pullback. Okay, so also let's take a look on 30 minutes. 9 o'clock 2, candle store signal, the upper blue went above, but bar didn't go above. But we have this blue line there, both above 8 and 30 minutes. So there 30 minutes is a little bit different. Trend line is a little bit higher. All we needed just a little bit for stronger signal to price be above 2. But there was that nice big pullback. And then here they were coming there into candle store signals, but the blue line wasn't above at least 8, almost touching, but still there was a pullback in here. So another signal worked great. And then let's go take a look. I never did it. I never took a look at 15 minutes. I mean 10 minutes. We have 15 minutes there, 10 minutes if they're giving us anything. All right, so there's no candle store signal, but that both of blue band lines were above direction, and the yellow, which is 8. There was that signal. Okay, let's see if we can find anywhere else. Just a touching. So different time frames give us a little bit different signals. Here's under both. First one, a nice pullback. They went there. Here we got 2 bars, and then a real nice pullback there. Okay, is there anything else here? So may look for maybe 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes for some good signals, good trades. Alright, here's a also nice one. Here's the first one. We bought bands, lines from a blue band. They're under white direction and 8. Nice pullback. They brought there. Here's the first one. There was just a little pullback on the close of the bar. And then second one. Not good candle store signal yet, but slowly they went up there. Alright, that's why when there are no candle store signals, they can continue a little bit. This is about both. A really nice pullback. And not even touching upper band, very close. I didn't take a look at all at 10 minutes. So nothing here. And here's about direction, touching 8, couple more bars, and then slowly down, but there was no candle store signal. Alright, so that sometime when there's no candle store signal, they can continue. Let's take a look over here. That'll be first one, not yet. Here's a candy store signal and then nice pullback. Alright, there is not under both. And here's a 2 bars and a nice pullback. But that was in the middle of the band. Let's take a look here. First one, there's a candy store signal, 2 of them, a little pullback, and then 1, 2, 3. We almost got a flying robin here, and they start pulling, and here's this bar didn't close under, so just a little bit. This one didn't close under. This one and this one close under, and there's, so it's always better to wait for bar to close under. It's a stronger signal. Alright, so here's a bar closed above. We are above both, and the pullback, another one a little bit up there, and then pullback. Then it went above. Didn't close there, though this one we have above both lines, but middle in the band. Is both above and then pullback, and so on. So settings are same like every day. If there's anything, I'll make a video and do it. But otherwise, guys, you have fun trading next week. So that will be 24th, 25th. I guess Monday is holiday. And so 26th and up to 29th, I believe, of May 2020. Have fun, and I'll talk to you. Take care. Look for the best there.